close up of his face. He is knocked out. Oh, he's stretching. Now he's in a different position. Ah, cats are interesting. Yeah, it's we got hit pretty bad last night and throughout, but it finally died down in the afternoon, and I built my courage to walk out. I was gonna walk to Starbucks because it's about 1.25 miles away from my place, but I decided to call and see if they were open, and right as I call, she answers and she says that the lobby's closed at 4:30, and that's when I called her. So good thing I called before I walked that 1.3 mile distance to Starbucks. So I am walking to Safeway because it's only a few minutes away and there's Starbucks inside. So I don't really need the coffee, but I haven't had Starbucks in about over a week, so I just need, I wouldn't mind having a cup of coffee, charge my phone, and play some Pokemon Go, because they have a little cafe sitting area inside Safeway. So it's not too bad. It's not cold, but it's still in the 30s, so it's not warm. It looks like Subway's open. It is a 24-hour Subway, so I might go to Subway, maybe get dinner, but we'll see. As you can see, Safeway is packed. I think that's the only thing open around the area, so makes sense. Damn it, they are closed. Oh, this looks so good. Oh man, this is my weak area. Don't judge me. Check and see if I got mail or not. I highly doubt I got anything, but it's worth the check. And also check to see how my mom and the dogs are doing. I can hear Bobo barking. What I'm really worried about is the next couple of days when it's going to be in the teens. So the snow is going to turn into ice. And that's what I'm really worried about. So I'm probably not going to be going out anytime soon, driving wise. And I've been home for a week. So who knows when I'll be driving out to Portland and working. I need to make some money, right? So that's the only downside is inclement weather. I can't go out and work. That's where 99.8% of my income is working, driving. So we'll see how that goes. I am getting tired. That walk to Safeway was like, I was trying to be careful not to like slip or fall. Whew. I need to get my gym membership back. But I'm gonna sign off. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, I will be home, so these blogs might be boring for you guys if you're looking for the Postmates, the Uber Eats videos. They will be coming. Just be patient. This weather is not helping at all. So thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you like this video. And I will see you guys tomorrow.